Turn off Windows 10 Task View Sliding Animation. I actually use the new Task View tool provided in Windows 10, and I was wondering if there is a way to disable the sliding animation between different desktops. I find this kind of annoying, and it seems to take a second each time for the animation to play. It would be great if there was a way to disable this, so each time I switch to a desktop, it switches instantly instead of playing the animation.
Control Panel System Advanced System Settings Performance Settings. Uncheck Animate Windows when minimizing and maximizing.
Only with Office 2016 products, Windows weirdly slid around when they were selected and moved, far delayed behind the mouse movement. I had to use Windows U Fast to turn off Show Animations in Windows. This deselects several things in the Performance Settings dialog mentioned above. This helped 90%, but the window movement was still slightly delayed behind mouse movement when dragging. The final change that worked was the Show Window Contents while dragging getting turned off. Performance is now snappy like it ought to be, as it is for all other apps on the machine. Turned off, animate controls and elements inside Windows, animate windows when minimizing and maximizing, fade or slide menus into view, fade or slide tooltips into view, fade out menu items after clicking, show window contents while dragging, slide open combo boxes, and smooth scroll list boxes.
Yes.